Good morning, guys. Today you're going to start working on context clues. You actually had a little bit of an introduction to this yesterday when you did the context clues quiz and lesson on Accelerate. I hope you did it. Today's secret password is, oh man, I don't remember. What was your secret password? Secret password today is Sweet Dreams Pumpkin. Sweet Dreams Pumpkin. Almost forgot about it. Anyways, so this is context clues. Context clues are something we use in language arts and in our lives every single day. Honestly, it's as easy as seeing this word, markers, and figuring out if it means read or read. Because we all know we can say this both ways depending on the words around it. Are we talking, do you need to read something, or have you already read it? This word is one word, but we use context clues all the time for words that we already know, like read or read, depending on how you're reading it, what the context around the sentence is telling you to say, and on words that are new or unfamiliar to us. We can find the context clues within a sentence, a paragraph, or a passage, which means like something bigger, like a whole essay, a paper, a story. We have to look sometimes to find our context clues. There's typically 4 types. I know a video you're going to watch either today or tomorrow will tell you about a 5th type, and that's something we already worked on. We already worked on inferencing. Personally, I feel like inferencing is a little bit separate than context clues, because inferencing you make up your own idea, but context clues, they tell you what that word is supposed to mean. They tell you what the new thing is. There are 4 types. There's a definition or a restatement. This happens when you get a new word in a sentence, and literally it says, like, comma, exactly what it says. Normally it'll say the word, have a comma, and give you exactly what the definition is. You're going to see another example of this later, which is why I'm not really giving you good examples. I'm just telling you what the options are. Synonyms. Synonyms used when it tells you 2 words. Like, it says your new word that you have never heard of before, or this. If it's the or this and that this is the same thing, that's typically done because the author knows that you're not going to know that word very well because it's a new word for you. So they give you the synonym right away so that you're like, oh, that's what that means. I can keep reading. I understand this. An antonym, opposite, or contrast happens when you get a word that's the opposite. So instead of or this, it's going to be not that. Okay? They're going to say whatever the new word is, unlike da-da-da-da, and tell you something that it's not the same as. Or you're going to get an example dash explanation, which is kind of the same as a definition. Oftentimes, it's kind of the same as a definition and a synonym. They give you an example of what that looks like, or what that means. They give you examples about it. I know this was like super short video, and I know it wasn't super informative. We're going to be working on this for a week and a half. We're going to have plenty of time to learn it. This is like super basic, what you need to know to start. We're working on context clues. You're going to be doing worksheets and stuff on Seesaw for a little while, trying to really get you in. If you haven't finished your quiz, which I know it's weird to take a quiz right away, but you're taking that quiz so I know what you know, so I know where to fill in the gaps and how to teach you better. So if you don't take the quiz, I don't know how to teach you best. Make sure you're taking that. You're going to have activities on Seesaw. Make sure you get them done, and good luck.